the 5 things your family won't know when you die, and how to fix it in under an hour. Hi, I'm Pam Garrett, an estate planning attorney and wealth expert, and I'm on a mission to help you grow and protect your wealth. If you were to unexpectedly pass away today, would your loved ones know where your passwords, insurance, bank accounts, all of the important information is? Likely no. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 most important things and what you can do to make sure they're protected. Number 1, passwords. We use them for everything. Email, social media, our accounts. If you were to pass away today, do your loved ones know where your passwords are? And if they don't, what is the impact going to be? I would say as an estate planning lawyer, the number 1 grief I hear from family members is they can't even get into their loved one's cell phone. So what can you do? I recommend putting together a list of all of your important passwords for everything and letting someone you know where that is. So what's the best way to do it and the most convenient and the most secure way to do it? Well, the most secure way to do it is to use a password organizer like 1Password. And 1Password actually has the ability to actually designate a legacy contact and family share plan. If you're not that tech savvy, you could do it in a Google Doc or Word doc. You're just going to want to make sure to password protect it and let your loved ones know how to actually access it. And the final way to do it would be to use good old-fashioned password book, write it down. You're just going to want to make sure your loved ones, again, know where it is, and you're going to want to keep it up to date. Number 2, bank accounts, retirement accounts, other assets. And the thing that I hear often from families is they don't know where their loved ones bank or how many accounts they have. And they're sorting through mail and computer files and old employee records and contacting people trying to figure out what assets their loved ones have. So you're going to want to create a list of everything you have and where it is and store it somewhere accessible for your loved ones in a password protected way. Again, the best way to do this would be to have it be in a secure document that you update and share with your loved ones. If that's not an option, you could also, take a few minutes and write it with pen and paper and let your loved ones know where it is. Number 3, insurance policies. Often I hear from people that they find insurance policies years later, or that they remember their loved ones had a life insurance policy, but they can't figure out where. So anywhere you set up a life insurance policy, you're going to want to print out that declaration page and let someone know where it is for when you pass away. And if you are employed, you likely have an insurance policy through your work, and you're going to want to get that to your loved ones. Number 4, monthly bills and subscriptions. Often I hear when someone passes away, their loved ones aren't able to turn off all the auto pays quick enough and they lose a lot of money. And so often it's not the bank account people usually find them, it's those credit cards or those auto pays that are linked to an account that you don't normally use that people can't find. So you're gonna wanna make sure that information is accessible for your loved ones for when you pass away. Number 5, your legacy and personal wishes. What type of funeral do you want? What type of burial do you want? And what are the things you want your loved ones to remember about you, your values, your insights, your stories? Being sure to document this and get this to your loved ones is going to really help them, because when you pass away, it's going to be the worst day of their lives and they're going to want to remember you. Most of us never think it's going to happen and we don't get around to writing things down because it's so painful. But I promise you, even just making the annual habit of recording things, writing them down, it's going to make a huge difference for your loved ones when you pass away. If you liked this video, you're likely someone who wants to keep things organized for your loved ones. You don't want them to have a complete mess when you pass away. That's why I've put together the Sorry I'm Dead Now What kit at deadkit.com. In that kit, I walk you through everything you need to set up. I give you easy to follow videos and templates, and the personal kit I use with my own family. I'll see you in the next video.